If someone told you that our Earth is flat, would you believe it? And if they went on to say that NASA, and all other space agencies have deliberately hidden the truth that the Earth is flat for certain reasons, would you be ready to accept it? After all, we ourselves have never truly seen the Earth directly, except through images shown to us after spending huge amounts of money. So, could it really be that our Earth is flat? From childhood itself, we have learned, seen, and understood that Earth is shaped like a sphere. We have seen many different photos and pieces of evidence supporting this. Yet, even in this highly modern era, there are still large groups of people who strongly believe that Earth is flat and not a globe. Surveys and studies show that about 2 to 8% of people around the world continue to believe the Earth is flat. They even argue that governments and space agencies are hiding the truth because of some hidden agendas. Listening to their theories can indeed be quite surprising. The first point they make is that Earth is completely flat. On this flat surface, we can see different continents, and around them lie vast oceans. This immediately raises a question: if Earth is flat, wouldn't the waters of the oceans flow off the edge? Their answer is that Earth is surrounded by massive ice walls, what we call Antarctica. These ice walls, they claim, hold the oceans in place, preventing the water from spilling away. Similarly, they argue that what we call the North Pole is actually the center of this flat Earth. They also have different explanations about the sky, the moon, and the sun. According to them, the sky is covered by a kind of dome-like structure, beyond which no one can travel. If one were to travel far enough toward the South Pole, they claim, it would be possible to see the edge of this dome where it meets the ice walls. They further explain that the sun and the moon are much smaller than Earth, mere glowing spheres of light moving above it. According to their theory, the moon does not shine because it reflects the sun's light, but because it has its own faint glow, and that is what we actually see. Without doubt, these arguments are astonishing to hear from people who believe in the flat Earth theory. If we look back into history, however, we find clear evidence that the Earth is spherical. As early as 500 BC, Pythagoras wrote in his works about the Earth being round. Later, around 200 BC, Eratosthenes conducted various experiments that proved the Earth's spherical nature. He even attempted to measure Earth's circumference. Aristotle too supported the same idea and firmly believed that Earth was round. If doubts still remain, there are simple ways to prove it even today. For instance, we can look at the images of Earth captured by satellites sent into space, all of which clearly show Earth as a sphere. Another way is by observing ships. When ships sail far into the distance, we see them gradually sinking below the horizon, with the bottom disappearing first. This happens because of Earth's curvature. Another strong piece of evidence comes during a lunar eclipse. When Earth passes between the sun and the moon, the shadow cast on the moon is always perfectly round. This shadow itself clearly proves Earth is spherical. By now, you should have a clear understanding of both perspectives, what the flat Earth theory claims, the arguments of its believers, and the evidence that contradicts it. So, what do you think? Could Earth be flat? Or is it definitely round? Or could it be something entirely different, perhaps even donut-shaped? Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.